Tardigrades, one of the most fascinating creatures in the world, have captured my eye for a while now, but I have never seen one.
Ooh, look at those guys. Refuse to die. What the frick? They don't refuse to die. They're spelled differently. They're not immortal. Of course they're not. Tardigrade on a finger. What the hell? Oh my god.
So, I have decided to get myself some tardigrades from my garden, and apparently they live in the mossy areas. Okay, so I found these things and a little petri dish, right? So I'm gonna go and see if I can hunt some, what are those called? Tardigrades, oops, tardigrades. So I'm gonna get a little bit of moss in here, put some water, and I take this moss with stings, boop, 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 and then put it here, put some water in it, soak it overnight, see what happens. So this is where I got the previous thing. I don't think there's anything here to... Alright, let's go and find something else. Ooh, so slippery. What the hell? There's a screwdriver in a tree. Why? Okay, moss. Moss. Trees. Oh, look, there's moss here. That would work, right? Anything else? Because I was kind of thinking of something like little mosses. Oh, look, there's some here as well. Oh, that's easy to get to. Right. I'm gonna go and try this moss because I will. Sorry about my knees. So this is the petri dish. Right, let's put that there. Now I have this. Right, so let me grab some of this here. Shitty. That's gonna be cool. I was hoping it's gonna come loose like really easily, but no. The tardigrade is only small. Come on. Come on. Something in my eye. Right. Do you think that's enough? Do you think that is enough of moss? I mean, it should be theoretically. Right, I think that's enough, right? Okay, so now we need to find some water for it. Let me go. Apparently tap water is not good, so... At least according to ChatGPT, so let me find some water from other sources. Right, so this is the water where my crows drink. It's not terribly big, but I'm thinking might even find some other life. So I'm gonna use the lid of the thingy, and I'm gonna grab some of this. Maybe we get two animals at once. Alright, this is like disgusting. And okay, do you think that will be enough water for overnight? Yeah, it's not gonna evaporate. Let's put a little bit more just in case. It's dirty, I don't like it, but like I don't want it to evaporate either. Right, so we have a sample with dirty water, some moss, and yeah. And now I need to go and wash my hands. Okay then, let's go. Let's go. Right, so I have patted it dry with the thingy, washed my little pinchy things, whatever they're called, and I think I'm gonna leave it here in this paper and put it right here until tomorrow. Okay, I got myself a new microscope for Christmas. Right, so basically we have a camera. I can plot these in. Let me do that now. Right, okay, so I kind of plot these in here so I can bend these. I have this modern thing. Oh, that's kind of up and down. And then we have back and forth like proper microscope. And then this wire goes into my OBS. Right, I want to try and see that moss now before I wait till tomorrow. Right, give me a second. This thing, I'll just collect it, put some dirty water on it. So I want to see, I need to clean it afterwards, so let me see what I can get. Right, so what? Okay. So basically this is like not working. But it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Oh, I have an idea. I got like a ton load of microscope slides with it, so I'm gonna go and see if I can get one out. And yes, I know it could have been done better, but it is what it is. We learn, so I'm gonna put that there to see if it holds it in place. Okay, so I've done that there. So it's a bit watery. I hope I don't get anything nasty from them. Right, so let me put it in somewhere. And let's see if I can get a picture on my... Right, let me see. Immediately I saw something living in there. No, not these things. I ignored those ones. But this one here. Thing there. Is there a... Can you hear me? Yes, you can. Right, let's see. Probably a rodifer, but I couldn't be too sure because I never seen a tardigrade before. It's like much different kind of an image, isn't it? What is it? What are you? A rodifer? Right, anyway, something is living there. Something is... But then I got bored of it and I decided to look elsewhere. Because let's face it, the image from this microscope is just so beautiful. Okay. The bright green colors and detail is, compared to the other microscope, immensely better. Right, okay, so let's see what else we have. This is so much better because I can actually be quite accurate with this microscope. And then I realized how far from professionalism I was by leaving some wires just hanging there. I had some wires bulging in there. Yeah, that's not good, right? Okay, let's try again. So I wanted to go all the way down and then turn it like this, and then see if we can get something. There were tiny creatures swimming around, but I dismissed it because the image was just gorgeous. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at this. So I just wanted to look around and admire the view. Okay, obviously nothing moving there, but look at this. This is like a million times better than the other one. Right, let me... Even the dirt around the leaves seemed impressive. Right. Oh, this is like so dirty. Right, so what if I went to... Right, let me try this one. Alright, this one. Ooh. Now, I don't know what this is, but that looks good. Okay. So, this way. I want to go that way. What the hell? Okay, please don't touch the water. And for the life of me, I couldn't figure out what those bubbles were. I guess maybe a part of a plant of some sort. Bubbles. at those bubbles. Why are they so uniform? Maybe it was some sort of an error on the glass. Okay. Alright. But the petri dish was small and had high edges, and the lenses got stuck onto the walls. So I decided to shake the moss bits into the center of the petri dish. Okay, now it's in the middle. Right. and oh shit, don't touch it. Don't. Oh, beep. It touched it. Okay, let's clean it. And since I didn't want any dirty water all over my new equipment, I had to take care of the machine before I could do anything else. Should be okay. If it isn't, I don't know. Yeah, that. I don't know what that is, but like that seems to have worked. And I'm gonna put it to this area again. Okay. And let's see. Aha. But I didn't see anything worthwhile for the day one, so I decided to leave the sample overnight and see if I can find tardigrades then. Okay, well, looks like I'm getting the best image with this. That is so cool. So that's good enough for today. See if I can get something out tomorrow. First things first, I had to clear up my mess. Okay, so I was tidying my home and I accidentally knocked this over, so I'm going out again to get some more samples. Right, so attempt number 2. Oh, I found a better place. Look, there's a tree stump here. Nice, and there's more there. Right, so I'm gonna do this and start scooping that moss. That's much easier. And what we're gonna do is take more this time, because I can. It might be too much. Right, so that's the moss. And yeah, let's find some rainwater, because the previous water wasn't any good anyway, so yeah, this dirty water here, I realized I used tap water to fill this, so that's not good. I'm gonna find some other water. Okay, so we have found some water, like quite nice. Right, I'm gonna use a spoon. I'm gonna take some of this water if I can and put as much as I can onto this dish. Okay. Okay. So I think this is like more than enough. Let's put a little bit more water there. Right. So it's safer anyway, so that should be enough water for the moss for the overnight. Right, let's go. Right, I tried to dry it off, but now it's like moving underneath the lid and it's got some sort of a seal. So to avoid the cat knocking it down, I'm gonna put it down to far corner away from the cat. I don't know if the cat's gonna knock it over or not, but we'll see. We will shall see tomorrow. Right, so I have everything set up. The computer is going. Blah, 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 blah. Right, so yesterday's sample is here. Right, and I don't know what to do with it. I mean, there's nothing here. If I were to look at it underneath as it is, what happens? But I forgot to film what was happening on the screen. Let's take a look. It's beautiful. Right. Okay. I mean, it's settled down really nicely, hasn't it?
I really wish I would have recorded the OBS screen as I was doing this.
So beautiful.
But I didn't, so that's all the footage I have.
Sure.
And because I was such a professional, I stuck the lens into the mixture and now I had to clean up everything.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, Jesus Christ, it went inside. What a dumb thing to do. Right, okay. I'll try it off with a bit of tissue paper. It's fine. Oh, now I have dirty lens.
And as I was panicking, I got inspected by my cat Nala.
Oh, a cat. What are you doing? Look, man. Fine.
I was convinced I somehow got the microscope lens dirty, and luckily because I had the experience with my old microscope, I realized that it was not a good idea to clean it on the inside, and the problem almost certainly was to do with the camera itself.
How do you clean this? Do you... Right, so I took this bit off. I am guessing I should not be touching this, but I'm gonna... Because... Right, but... Oh, it's still there. Look. It's down there. Oops. Okay. Oh, it's on this. Oh, it's on this. Okay. So I cleaned the end of this. Let's see. Right. I think that's good. So I'm gonna put this back up here because I nearly beeped this microscope out. Busy. Okay. I think I have.
Problem solved. It was time to look at the sample again.
I have a pipette.
So yeah, we're learning.
And I have this. And I also have these. What if I... Can I do this? And then I have... Right, let me do... And then, sorry, I'm gonna do this. Doesn't really shine through, does it? Do I need to peel them off? Nope, turns out it was just one layer. Right, so... Why isn't it focusing? Look, it's touching. Damn it, come on. So, let's see. I'm gonna... Let's see. Okay. I don't know which way to go, down or up.
And I found something quite fast.
See. What is it? Okay, now. The hell is that? There's two of them? What the hell? Right. Yeah, stay there. I'm struggling to. What are you? What is this squirt or what is this thing?
That was a rotifer.
What? Huh? Right. What are you? What the frick are you? It looks like a deformed ant. What is it? It's going up and down, like, consistently. Right. Alright, so it's there now. Okay, are you there?
And keeping up with it turned out to be a bit of a challenge.
Dude, if I knew what level you were at, because you're kind of like going one way or the other way. Luckily this is like much better. Right there, no. What is it? Is this the tardigrade? It's not the tardigrade, is it? Or is it? Huh? Right, there's someone going up here. Right. Okay. the heck are you? And why can't I zoom into you? Right, so it's there underneath all of this foliage. And now it's walking around really fast. Oh my gosh, it's gone there now. Where did you go? Okay. Right, it's there. Underneath all of these things. Going there. Now it's there. Uh-huh. Okay. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Come to me. What are you? Oh, I can't figure out what you are and where you're going. Right there. Is that what I'm looking for? They all look alike. Wait! Wait! The hell are you? Never seen anything like it. I don't think that's a rotifer. The hell? Come back! Right, okay, I'm not gonna zoom anything in or out because it goes like in different levels all the time. Alright. It's like badly. It's in like a spider without legs. What are you? The hell are you? Please stay still for like 2 seconds. Oh my gosh. What are you? Did I damage you by accident? Oh my gosh. Stop. Stop. Uh-huh. Oh, come back. What are you? Alright. It's like 2 of you. Uh-huh. What the hell are you? Very fast too. I don't know if tardigrades are this fast. But this one definitely is. Uh-huh. Okay. Right, went down. This way? Yeah. Right, you're on that level now.
If you know what type of rotifer that is, let me know.
Oh my gosh, it's like so fast. What are you? I suppose it's like you have a shell or something. My ability to. Oh, there's something little as well here. What is that? Right, I'm intrigued.
And then I saw something very small next to my rotifer.
Okay. It's gone, but the little thing, what are you? Right, I'm gonna take a look what you.
And I put on a bigger magnification.
I don't know how to use this microscope.
And focusing that bigger magnification turned out to be a much bigger of a challenge.
Oh.
But because I couldn't find it, I looked for something else.
Huh? Right, where is my creature? Where's the creature gone? Oh, so pretty. Yeah, very nice. Do you know what? You're thinking like finding these tardigrades is easy. It's not. It's not at all easy.
Until I found my friend the rotifer again.
Oh yeah, this is where the 2 glasses meet. Oh, hello. The other way. Okay, we found you again. Except my ability to move this is terrible. Where did it go?
There you are. Yes. Oh, look at this. It's cute. Oh, come on. Eh, eh. Oh, come on. Where the frick did you go now? Up there. Oh, I lost it again.
Something tiny caught my eye.
Look, this is something alive. Now, this is. If I can zoom into that, that's great. But I can't because I'm useless. Right, let's see. Now. Was on the thing somewhere. I'll go back there again. No, there it is. So, aha, there. So, where is it? No. It's kind of flat. Yeah, it's a very flat thing. What is it, like some sort of a mite in the water? Oh, yeah. Look at that. What is it? Seriously. Luckily the stem is a nice kind. Yeah, it's literally like running. Oh, wow. It's kind of red.
That beautiful thing there was a water mite, an incredible little animal that is a predator that can also hunt tardigrades that I was looking for.
No. Oh. And it's gone inside of there. Okay. I wonder if this big thing would eat that. What is it? I don't know. Right, so at least I was able to find a little thing using my... Oh yeah, there it is.
But I wanted to see my friend the rotifer again.
So where's the bigger thing gone?
But my hands got tired of holding the phone, so I decided to put the camera mount on my phone. In the meanwhile, on the background, there was life.
Right, I have a camera mount on. It's not great, but I suppose I have two hands free then, so let's see.
Now I had two hands free to operate the microscope, and I also found my friend, the rotifer.
Aha! Look at that. Oh, I found you. Right. Right, where did you go? Which layer are you at? There. Oh, that is so cool. No, the other way. There. Look at this. Can you stay still, please? Because I don't know what I'm looking at. You're so fast. What on earth? Is this a tardigrade or is it not? Because the other one was like... I don't know. Look, it's already here. Yeah, you look... Ooh. Oops, the other way. The other way. Right. Okay. It's kind of a funny shape. Like seriously, it's like a spider or something. The hell? Where did you go? I highly doubt that tardigrades look like spiders. Could be my interpretation. Look. Oh shit.
But shortly after, my phone ran out of memory, so I couldn't use it anyway.
Okay, so I can't record anymore on my phone because I am full of... And I bet it didn't even record the last bit. Oh well.
And as I was dealing with the phone mount, the rotifer was swimming around on the screen like there's no tomorrow. I also attached a microphone, which should make the sound a little bit better.
The microphone now. Okay, let's go and take a look. Where did you go?
And I found a new interesting little creature.
Aha, what the hell is this? Alright, let's move you to the center. Right, so, bearing in mind... Aha, what are you? Why are you moving? Seriously, what the heck are you? Right, we have that. So that is 10. Oh, yes. Oh, I found it. What is it? Don't want to touch it anymore because I'm afraid it's not gonna move left or right. So what is this? What are you? A round ball that moves. So it's a round ball that moves. That's it. We have found a round ball that moves.
This, my friends, is a plant. Yes, a moving plant that looks like an animal. Apparently an algae of some sort.
It's not a seed, is it? Is it a spore? It definitely is living, isn't it? Look, it's moving. Ooh. Whoops. Nope. No. Whoop, whoop. What the hell? Everything is kind of moving now. I don't know what it is. It's quite cool though. Yeah. Ding ding. Pew 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 pew. Right, so I found a use for that big magnification. What is it? Okay, so let's go back to finding my tardigrades if they're ever in here at all.
And so it was time to go back to finding my tardigrades. I found something that could possibly be a tardigrades, because I have seen videos when tardigrades are like little specks and then they emerge from that. But I couldn't be entirely sure, so correct me if I'm wrong.
What is this? Does it have legs and things? Alright. Is that possibly a future tardigrade? Or is it dirt? I mean, it could be anything, couldn't it? Alright, let's go back to my 4, whatever this is.
And of course, my rotifer said hi again.
Alright, so we are... There you are! So, tell me who you are and what are you doing? What are you looking for? Is that the same rotifer again? It looks like belly's full of food. That's nice. At least they're not starving here. Right.
And then I found something that looks like a feather.
Looks like a feather. I bet it's not alive, honestly. I don't think so. Yeah, it's just a feathery thing. Look, so cool. Whatever that is. Could be a feather or whatever.
By the end of the day, I had got so tired, so I decided to leave it until the next day.
Okay. Do you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna go and put it all back and check it again tomorrow. Okay, I have set it all up. I'm not gonna be bothering with those because I'm gonna look at the computer screen all the time anyway. So anyway, long story short, so last night I washed these things. I cut my finger in a few places Great, but then I realized I have ton load of those really thin glasses or slides or whatever those things are. So I have like ton load of those, and now I have my sample. So the idea is take some of this, put it on there, cover it with this bit, put it over there, look it on the computer, and use a microphone to talk this time. All right, ready? Let's go.
But that turned out to be a bit of a pointless job because I forgot to hit the record button on my OBS.
Right, so let's go and see if we find some tardigrades. Look, how about I just use this for now, see what happens, because I can always prep for more. Use my fingers because why not? I'm not a professional. Right, looks good. Let's start. So yeah, I've been recording like half an hour now. Great. Great. Great, absolutely fantastic. I haven't recorded shit. Right, might as well take a new sample. I saw a worm and I lost it. Yeah.
So they're chubby little worms. I could have found... Maybe it was the worm. It could have been. I don't know.
No, it's great. It's just great. Like I'm babbling away, talking away, trying to like find this creature, and yeah, I'm not even recording. Perfect. Everyone does it, right?
And now I was tired, I was disappointed, and I couldn't find anything.
Okay. Sample. Next sample. Right, I need another glass. And we have a picture.
I stumbled upon a brand new creature.
Aha. What are you? That looks like a little bit more promising.
I honestly don't know what this is, but it looks really delicate and beautiful.
Okay, let's try.
Is this a stenta or some sort of a sessile ciliate?
Aha, what are you? That looks like one of these weird things. God, shame I'm not good at this. Go in the center. Okay, it's in the center. Now let's see. So it's kind of pointing upwards, isn't it? Yeah. Yes, so it's sort of this. That's as good as it gets. That's cool. Cool looking little thing. No idea what it is. Yeah. Slow though, which is nice. Right, let's see what else we have.
I found some interesting worm-like plants or roots.
What is it?
And then I come across with a lot of tiny little creatures, and I'm not even going to try to guess what those are. I've had a long chat with ChatGPT, and even the AI doesn't know what these are. So I'm going to leave it for you to guess. This one creature especially here jumps around like a little flea, but it's completely see-through. And then there's this tiny little green thing that's even faster than my rotifer. But other than those creatures and the ones mentioned before, I couldn't see any tardigrades anywhere. So I'm going to leave this experiment till next week, and I'm going to try a different moss sample, and maybe eventually we'll find the tardigrades. It was once again a very interesting experiment. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.